Good evening. Welcome to my channel Job at Nagari. So in this video we are going to cover how to split data into columns and rows. Simple, very simple assignment. So let us start. Here is the sample data. First column is railway zones and divisions. So I'm going to split this data into columns and rows. So let's start. First we upload this data into the Power BI desktop. Click on get data, Excel workbook, desktop, and the file name is zones. Click the sheet 1 and select transform data. First we go to transform and select use first row as headers. Then now we have to split data into rows, either rows or column. So first we check with the columns. Split column by delimiter. So you can see here we different types of delimiter. It automatically select comma. So we have to just click on OK button here. And you can see it automatically divide data into columns, division 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the one way to split data into columns. There is another way if we want to split data as per the rows. So this is possible in Power BI. For that we have to select column, then go to split column by delimiter, and here in advanced option we have two options here, split into columns or rows. By default it's split into columns. If I select rows and click on OK, so you can check now, it will help us to visualize the data in proper manner. Here again I'm going to transform and trim the data, so it will be great for us. So we have successfully split data into different rows. So we are done with this assignment here. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos. Thank you.